We've used several different methods in the garden, and by far our favorite is growing in raised beds. Over the past years, we have tried growing in several different raised beds that we had built here on our own, but we have found the most durable raised bed that is going to be our forever bed. We are moving our garden area and upgrading our raised beds. We are bringing our garden area closer to the house and closer to our rainwater catchment system. In today's video, we're going to share with you the ultimate raised beds. And as you can see here, the metal is very sturdy and durable. Very thick metal, and it could probably withstand about anything, so there will be no needing to replace the metal probably forever. Yeah. So as you can tell in the video, this was a pretty simple build, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I got it done in about 45 minutes probably total build time. It's super sturdy too. We're both sitting on it, so not only will it be a cool place to right off of our patio to grow food, but be a fun place to hang out too.
Yeah, the bed is very durable, as well as the aesthetics are really great. So if you're looking for something that's going to look really nice next to your home, these are definitely the beds you want to go with.
Yeah, they look good. They're built really well. The engineering that he put in and the thought he put into, putting the wood over the top edge of it, everything's just, it's perfect.
So if you've been in the search for the perfect raised bed, we definitely recommend this company, and we are excited to announce that we have partnered with Hopkins Hidden Homestead. So we will provide the link down below, which will give you 5% off your entire purchase. We absolutely love this company because it is a small family business, just like our business, and everything is made in the USA.
Another cool feature with these beds is they're modular, so you can add on to them. So later on, we'll probably make videos when we do it. So we'll probably buy more beds to add to this bed, so you can make them taller. You can add another section high. You can make different shapes. You can make them U-shaped. They all connect together. Check out their website, hopkinshomesteadstore.com. We'll link it below. Go check out their raised beds.
I definitely love the size of these beds, and the depth I think is great for us. And you have a nice little setting area so you can enjoy your garden. So again, we're excited to announce we're partnering with Hopkins Hidden Homestead, Again, we'll link it down below. It'll give you 5% off your entire order. And check out more videos to come because we are definitely going to get more of these beds and expand our garden area. And check out the next videos coming where we're going to go ahead and fill up the raised beds and start planting for the winter. So if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can always be notified when we put out new videos.